Hello, 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 great people. Welcome back to my kitchen. You've tuned in for another edition of Cooking with Love, and I'm Chef Green. Today I'm going to show you how I make shrimp etouffee. And here we go. So I have already started my frozen shrimp are thawing. And I have my veggies here ready to go. And I'm about to make a roux with this butter. The roux is in a nice stripe. We're going to let it get a little bit darker before we add our vegetables. This is our roux. Light brown roux, and what I'm going to do now is add in my veggies here. Oops. And I'm going to put those in the roux and let the roux continue to brown. Get it a nice dark brown color. Now you can take a look at, here's what the roux looks like after adding the bell pepper, celery, and onion to it. I'm just going to let that continue to cook down and continue to brown. As far as seasonings go, because the Cajun seasoning that I'm using is Tony Sachet's. I'm gonna go ahead and only add that because I think it's a little salty. So that's the seasoning that I'll be adding. I'll play it by ear when I do a little tasting to see where we're at with the seasoning. But for now, we're only gonna add some Tony Sachet's. Okay, what you want to do after you drain the shrimp, I'm going to take a paper towel and squeeze the excess moisture out of them because you don't want your etouffee to end up watery from all the excess water that's in the shrimp. So here, what I've done is I went ahead, excuse me, and added a tablespoon of minced garlic, and I added tomato paste because my kids don't like the actual tomatoes, and so, but you can add like chopped tomatoes, or you can opt to do what I did and use the tomato paste. Nice and thick. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some broth. Before we let it simmer some more before we add our shrimp. We'll be back when we're ready to add the shrimp. Okay, our etouffee is nice and thick. Now we're going to add our shrimp. let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're pink, and then we'll be back to see the finished product. Okay, so we're at the dinner table. I'm gonna try out this etouffee and rice. It's good. It's always important to cook those shrimp to perfection. Don't let them overcook. Packed with flavor. Tiny bit spicy from the Cajun seasoning, but turned out great. By the way, it's my first try. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another edition of Cooking with Love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Write comments in the bottom and share the video. And until next time, I'm Chef Green. Bye-bye.